Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to manage a project? You've got deadlines looming, team members scattered across time zones, and a to-do list that stretches into the next decade. And then someone throws out the names Asana and Microsoft Project, like they're the magic wands that'll fix everything. But are they? Are they even the same thing? Let's be real. Project management isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about orchestrating chaos, turning vague ideas into concrete plans, and ensuring everyone's on the same page. It's about not losing your mind in the process. We've all been there, right? You're promised a streamlined workflow, but end up wrestling with spreadsheets and endless email chains. So, when you hear about tools like Asana and Microsoft Project, it's natural to wonder, are they interchangeable? Can you just pick one and call it a day? Or are they fundamentally different beasts? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to dissect these two titans of project management, explore their strengths and weaknesses, and figure out which one, if either, is the right fit for your needs. First, let's talk about Asana. If you're picturing a sleek, user-friendly interface that feels more like a modern web app than a complex software suite, you're on the right track. Asana is built for collaboration. It's designed to be intuitive, visually appealing, and accessible to everyone on your team, regardless of their technical expertise. Think of it as a central hub for your projects. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, track progress, and communicate directly within the platform. Its focus is on flexibility and adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of projects and teams. You can use it for anything from managing marketing campaigns to coordinating product launches. One of Asana's key strengths is its ability to visualize workflows. Kanban boards, list views, and calendar views allow you to see your project from different perspectives, making it easy to identify bottlenecks and keep everyone on track. And its integration with other popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox further enhances its collaborative capabilities. Now, let's shift our focus to Microsoft Project. If Asana is the sleek, modern web app, Microsoft Project is the seasoned veteran, the powerhouse of project management software. It's been around for decades, and it's known for its robust features and advanced capabilities. Microsoft Project is designed for complex projects with intricate dependencies and strict deadlines. It's the tool of choice for project managers who need to meticulously plan and track every aspect of their projects. Think construction projects, large-scale software development, or any project where precise scheduling and resource allocation are critical. Its strength lies in its ability to create detailed Gantt charts, manage resources effectively, and perform advanced scheduling calculations. You can track critical paths, identify potential delays, and optimize resource allocation to ensure your project stays on schedule and within budget. So where do they overlap? And where do they diverge? Both Asana and Microsoft Project are project management tools, which means they share some fundamental features. They both allow you to create tasks and assign them to team members, set deadlines and track progress, communicate and collaborate with your team, generate reports and track key metrics. However, their approaches and strengths differ significantly. Asana is more focused on flexibility, collaboration, and ease of use. It's ideal for teams that need a user-friendly platform to manage projects of varying complexity. It excels at visual workflows, task management, and team communication. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, is geared towards complex projects that require detailed planning, resource management, and advanced scheduling. It's the tool of choice for project managers who need precise control over every aspect of their projects. It excels at Gantt charts, critical path analysis, and resource allocation. Here's a breakdown of key differences. Complexity. Asana is generally considered easier to learn and use, while Microsoft Project has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced features. Collaboration. Asana is built for collaboration, with features like task comments, team conversations, and real-time updates. Microsoft Project, while it does offer some collaboration features, is primarily focused on individual project management. Scheduling. Microsoft Project offers more advanced scheduling capabilities, including Gantt charts, critical path analysis, and resource leveling. Asana's scheduling features are more basic, focusing on deadlines and task dependencies. Resource management. Microsoft Project provides robust resource management tools, allowing you to track resource allocation, availability, and costs. Asana's resource management features are more limited. Pricing. Asana offers a free plan for small teams, while Microsoft Project is generally more expensive, with subscription-based pricing. Intended user. Asana is great for general teams, marketing, creative, and smaller teams, while Microsoft Project is frequently used in construction, engineering, and large-scale IT projects. So, which one should you choose? The answer, as always, depends on your specific needs. If you're managing simple to moderately complex projects and prioritize collaboration and ease of use, Asana is likely the better choice. If you're managing complex projects with intricate dependencies and strict deadlines, and you need advanced scheduling and resource management capabilities, Microsoft Project is the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.